it's like super snowy out. And there's cars on the side of the road. Dang it. It's not great today. This is what a committed person looks like in a snowstorm to get pizza. All over pizza. This man walked from the gas station to Papa John's. Okay, sorry. This man walked from the gas station to Papa John's just for pizza. And there's cars and ditches. And we're stupid. We're out. We gotta go to Papa John's. Oh, man. At least you didn't fall, so that's good.
I almost slipped walking over there.
I was concerned about that. Yeah, Papa John's, the parking lot looks like crap. Alright.
It's just a tractor.
We got tractors going down the road plowing. All these people are
that
stuck.
car's gonna be stuck.
Yeah, they are stuck. This sucks. Yeah, that box truck's stuck too.
No, but that car right there is gonna be stuck. Because they have no room to just floor it to get out.
Because they got a little car.
Unless if these people are trying to let them out. Which is not the greatest idea in the world.
They're gonna get stuck. Alright. These people are stuck.
Is that car stuck too?
Yeah, that's why you don't drive little cars and stuff.
Well, that's probably a rear wheel car.
It's probably a car from the dealership right there. I'm not gonna get it. I'm not trying to get these people because that's rude. But I don't want to get their faces.
So I'm gonna get around this box truck. And then I was gonna go.
See, this road's not even bad though.
Well, now there's another truck over there, but there's backing in somewhere or something.
That's why you really shouldn't drive in this weather. I don't know why trucks are getting stuck. They got that guy's going sideways. There we go. He's out.
Must not be heavy enough.
There's some sandbags in the back of the truck. Alright, pause it. Alright, we're back. That guy got out. I don't even know if he was stuck.
I'm so thankful by the time I go back to work on Sunday, it's going to be 50-something degrees.
Yeah. That's why you need to carry shovels. Okay, overall, the snows.
At least I think
Roads are cleared up. The bus might be stuck. We don't know. Yeah, I think it is. Yep. But not bad.
Is there a way to turn on the heating thing on your mirror?
I thought it just automatically turned on. Okay. Well, we made it back to the house. So, Papa John's was a success. Right?
Certainly.
It's still hot.
We will not starve now.
But the weather cleared up a lot, so that was good. Oh. Holden. Success. Eric. Eric, let me see you. Ew. It was bad. It's pretty bad. There's a lot of cars on the side. Okay, Holden, you can end it.
Oh, that's the end of whatever happened during their drive.
Make sure to like and subscribe
Make sure to like
for
and subscribe for more content.